Hi there. Today in this video we will see how to check the utilization for a server once it's turned on. So go to the server list on the HMC, select the server. There is a new option performance here. The same option is available here also. So click one of them. So this is the landing screen for the performance monitoring for a server. Upper right corner there is an indicator to show whether data collection is on or off. Server utilization means the utilization of the physical resources attached to the server. So here on this screen, utilization statistics has been provided in terms of these four physical resources: processor, memory, network, and storage. This home screen can be divided into three main sections. First, current resource utilization. Second, views. Third, detail panel. In current resource utilization, it shows the current usage of each resources for the time interval specified in the auto update field. User can select a different interval here, but as it's a current usage, the intervals are short, maximum 15 minutes. So the graphs under these sections would be updated automatically at the frequency of the time interval which is selected here, or which is specified in this auto update field. So 1 minute or 5 minutes. If you will observe that the screen would be refreshed at every 1 minute. So this is about auto update field. So here, if we keep the cursor on different graphs, we will see more information about the installed, activated, and for network and storage some more data. See, the screen refreshes here. So this data is not actually real data. It's not a real monitoring. As I mentioned earlier also, the samples are always collected at the interval of every 30 seconds. So the number of samples that fall within the range of this selected monitoring interval would be used to calculate the average for different utilization attributes. So the values are displayed based on the average data samples here. So this is about current resource utilization. We can use this enlarge button to see the graphs in a more enlarged way. So now second is views. Views gives us the option to select the different resource to get its utilization trends. So we have processor, memory, and network and storage trends. We have one more view which is a server overview. It gives the overall usage of the resources at the server level. So by default, when we on the landing screen, this view has been selected. So based on the selection of the view here in this view panel, the detail panel would be populated. So if I select the storage utilization trend, the detail panel has been populated. So this is about historical data. So we have a different time interval here. So by default it's last 4 hours, but user can select a different option. User can customize the interval also. So this is so we will see about these graphs more when we talk about the utilization of each resource in detail. So let's go back to the server overview again. So server overview. In server overview, it shows the capacity distribution. So it shows what capacity distribution of processor and memory to LPAs. The next graph shows the top resource consumer. So top resource consumer shows which LPAR is the top consumer for a resource. Here it's shown for processor, but we can go to this option more graphs and we can select different resource here for partition, VIO server, and processor pools can also be selected to see the top resource consumer. Then next is resource utilization table. In resource utilization table, it gives a general information of overall utilization of each resource, shared network, shared storage. It's about shared network and storage, not the dedicated. One can click on the LPAR link and can see more information about this LPAR. We can close it here. Then one can go and select this option to select or deselect the columns. So we can configure the columns for this table. So this is general information about the screen layout. One more important information which is available here, if there is any error during data collection, like VIS is not up, RMC is not up, or some version problem with VIS collection and all, those would be available through a yellow indicator here. I have one more server where I can show it to you. So let's go to that server. So this is the server. Here the VIS RMC is not up. So for that reason, network and storage traffic is not available. And we have this yellow indicator and one more here. So if we click on this, we will get some information. Here we have this RMC is inactive on VIS 1. Similarly, there are some more information. So user can use this table to know what's the problem during the collection. So this is about screen layout. In the next video, we will discuss about the processor utilization in detail. Thank you.